In this lecture we will apply the loads to our slab. Okay, so first of all we will apply the floor finishing load. Okay, so in order to do that, first of all you have to select all these slabs. Okay, so let's select this slab. Okay, we will deal with these slabs later because these are the staircase slabs. Okay, so now that we have selected these slabs, okay, I will apply the superimposed dead load of 1.5 kilonewton per meter square, but you cannot apply the load from the frame because obviously this is not a frame. Okay, so for that you have to go to assign, and from here you have to go to shell loads, and after that click on uniform. So now you can see here that right now we are going to assign the shell load. So let's change this to superimposed dead load, because whatever the floor finishing will be there, obviously that comes under the superimposed dead load. So I will that superimposed dead load of 1.5 kilonewton per meter square, and the direction will be gravity, and I will just simply click on apply. So now you can see here that we have successfully applied that super floor finishing load on these slabs. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I will select these slabs again by clicking on this previous selection, and this time I will apply the live load. Okay, so for that I need to change this to live, and here I will apply the live load of 2 kilonewton per meter square. After that I will simply click on apply. So now you can see here that we have successfully applied the we have successfully applied the live load of 2 kilonewton per meter square. If you want to verify, you just simply need to right click here and you have to go to loads. So you can see here that load pattern name is live 2 kilonewton per meter square, load pattern name as ideal 1.5 kilonewton per meter square. Okay, so let's click on OK. So now that we have applied the load on the slab, it's time to apply the load on the staircases. Okay, so what I will do is I will change this to 3D view so that you can clearly see that exactly what we are going to do. And after that what I will do is I will go to select. Okay, go to select, and from here go to properties and click on slab section. So I will select this staircase slab because we are going to apply the load on this staircase. So let's click on select and click on close. So you can see here that this staircase slab has been selected here. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is you can see that we have 5 shells selected. So you can see here that this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so what I will do is I will apply the first of all floor finishing loads, and that comes under the superimposed dead load category. So I will change this to superimposed dead load, and I will apply the floor finishing of 2 kilonewton per meter square. Okay, just simply click on apply. Now that I have applied the superimposed dead load, let's go back to the previous selection, and this time I will apply the live load. Okay, so obviously the value of the live load will be higher as compared to the slabs on the floors, because people have to walk through these staircases, so obviously the load will be much higher. So it will be around 4 kilonewton per meter square. Okay, so after that you just simply need to click on apply. So you can see here that the 4 kilonewton per meter square load has been applied to this staircase. Okay, and after that let's click on close. So this is how you have to apply the load on the staircases as well as on the floors.